Hello, beautiful planner babes. Look what we got. Yes, a dirty ass package. Oh, welcome to FedEx. Anyway, let's get into this because today has been the most amazing Happy Mail day. I just got this gorgeous PR kit from Paper Boutique. I did a video on that. You guys run and check that out. You definitely need to go check out that shop and see the release on Monday, the 21st. But we also now have my exciting August kit from the Rosy Life Planner. Oh, I did not know these two were going to come on the same day. And I am just doing a happy dance all over. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is what we have as a sneak peek into our kit. All right. And Linda has been doing a lot of purples recently, and I am loving it. Her signature color is usually pink, which I 100% love. Love pink. But, sorry about that, get rid of that paper. But these purples she is using are just gorgeous also. And it is sometimes nice to have a nice change. But let's get into it. So we've got our little tabs from the Rosy Life Planner. Hello, August. And if you guys know, August is my birthday month. And it is also two of my granddaughters' birthday months, my daughter-in-law's birthday month. And so I'm ready for August to get here. And this kit, yes indeed, it has rose gold, also my favorite. And here's the card for this month, and she is starting to put stuff on the back of the card. And here we have 10 ways to declutter your life and home. Oh, I'm excited about this. I've actually been doing a lot of decluttering because back in March, we moved into our new house, and I have been decluttering like crazy. I have taken so much stuff to Goodwill, and so definitely I'm going to check that out and see what suggestions she has and see if I can add some more of those to my decluttering. Oh, now that is pretty. Oh, that is just gorgeous. And I love bees. I am excited about that. This is like gold foil, and my light is definitely giving it a lot of glare. Let me see if I can get it out of the package and see if it'll kill some of the glare. Still pretty much a glare on it. That's how just like shiny it is. Oh, and that is gorgeous. I'm excited because me and my bestie Brittany at Planning with Brit on YouTube have started doing junk journaling once a week. And I'm going to be putting some pictures up of the junk journal page that I did last night. It didn't go great. I was kind of frustrated about it. But, you know, with practice makes perfect. And I guess it's not really supposed to be perfect as a junk journal. But look at these. These also. Oh my goodness. And Linda did say she was trying to add more things to her kits to have like a wider, what's the word I'm looking for? To like expand over not just planning, but like junk journaling, regular journaling, you know, other people's interests, and to be able to cater to some of the other things that we do with our creative sides. And in doing that, she has been giving us more stuff like that. And I do appreciate it. And definitely starting to try and use more of it. And here are our dashboards. And I get the size A5 dashboards for my planner. And I get them unpunched because I do use the Rosy Life planner. But she does do the dashboards specific for your size when you order the subscription kits. She does all the way up to classic happy planner size. And so that is so nice that she customizes these for us. And the first one we have, of course, is the month, which she usually always puts in the boxes. And this is gorgeous. Hold on a second. I gotta pull a puppy up on my lap. She's sitting here begging to come up. And then second, we've got this one. Oh my God, an old rotary phone. Look at that. How many people, you guys tell me in the comments, how many of you have used a rotary phone in your lifetime? That's what I want to hear. And it says, your calling isn't something that somebody can tell you about. It's what you feel. It's a part of your life force. It's the thing that gives you juice, the thing you are supposed to do, and nobody can tell you what that is. You know it inside yourself. Oh my God, what a beautiful quote. I love that. And then, of course, we have one that just goes with the theme of the kit, which is gorgeous. Look at those rose gold bees. Oh, I love them. And then we have a gorgeous, gorgeous bookshelf. And me, I'm all about the books, so I love this. All right, let's actually go to the vellum pages. And I'm going to see if I can pull this taped piece off so that we can use the white sheet to show you guys the vellums better. There we go. So the first vellum we have is this gorgeous one right here. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. Oh, I'm loving it. And then the next one we have is this one here with the planner girl here. Oh, I just love that. That is gorgeous. And then our last one is this one here. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my goodness. I am loving that. And I love how she has these little rose gold bees all over through it. Oh my God, this kit is gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. I am excited to set up August. I can't believe we are over halfway through June. This summer has just like flown by. All right, next we have one of the die cut stickers, which is so pretty. And then we have our little packet here. And I don't know if I will be able to open it and save this sticker. I tried to, but this one's pretty long. Let's see. I don't know if it is going to come off. Maybe I should have went from the top where it was shorter. Well, I think we're just going to have to not save this one. There we go. All right. And then we've got in here, we have this cute little tiny deco page. That is super cute. We have, of course, our August script. We have a cute little note from Linda and her family. On this pretty card. Oh, it's on the back of the August. So we've got our August monthly card with a cute little note, and I love that. And then we've got our August sticker with the Hello August and some more little pretties. And then we have Life is Beautiful, So Are You pocket card. And I love to put these in my pocket. Oh, and then we have that same one that matches the vellum with the little planner girl in there. Oh, those are gorgeous. I can't wait to set this up. Let me put those back in here because I don't want to lose those and have them get mixed up with anything else. All right. And then the beautiful, beautiful stickers. I love these. Let's see what we got. Oh, and also, just for reference, where's my thing? What'd I do with my thing? Oh my goodness, guys. Never mind. Never mind. Oh, I was gonna tell you what size kit I get. I do believe I get the deluxe kit. She has four different sizes. The petal, the blossom, the deluxe, and then like the super deluxe kit, which I am actually considering upgrading to, because she puts extras in that one. She puts pet tape in that one. She puts washi tape in that one. She puts so many extras in it. And just different things to go with the theme kit, or the theme of the kit. And I don't know. I've been stalling, and I think I just need to bite the bullet and upgrade my kit, because everything's so gorgeous. All right, so we've got 2 pages of this, which is the beautiful washi strips with little pieces of decor up in them. And oh my God, I'm so excited to use all these little bees. This is just gorgeous. So we got 2 of those. We've got the date dots and all the little goals, trackers, sleep, this month, birthdays, work, and priorities. And then we have the actual dates. And then we've got some more date dots over here to the side. And just know that with all she gives you, as far as like dates and date dots, and then she gives you all the weekly days also. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 full weeks of days. And you can use these in so many planners, because you can use these in one planner. You can use these for your monthly. You can use these for all the weeks. And there is just like, you can use these for your weeks, these for your dailies. I mean, there's just so many options that you can use those for, and there's just more than enough. And then we have this gorgeous sticker page. Oh my goodness, guys. This kit is just gorgeous. And then she does postage stamps with pretty much every kit. And I just love the way these look. I love to incorporate them into my planner. They're just so cute. And then we got another deco page. Oh, I like that vintage trunk. Those are gorgeous. And then we have the page with like the ripped effect washi tapes. And then like all your boxes and your little dots. And that is just gorgeous. And then we have these ones that usually have more of the girls and the scenes and the little deco that match the kit. And these are gorgeous. The little Vespa, and then the sewing machine here. Those are beautiful. And then we've got some more flowers and little bees. And I love adding these like to the edges of my pages. They go so pretty. And then we got a little bit more flowers, which are always fun to sprinkle around. And then we got some more deco here. I love the typewriter with the vintage phone she has, the vintage typewriter here. We've got the vintage sewing machine here, the Vespa. These are so cute. And then like the vintage photographs. Oh, I just love it. And then here we have our last little deco page. Yeah, so all this gorgeousness was in our August kit from the Rosy Life Planner. And if you know, I do PR for her. My code in her shop is Angie15. It does not work on theme boxes, planners, or the subscription kit, but it does work on all the extras. So whatever she has left over from these kits after she gets them all sent out and we get them received, she puts all the extras in her shop. So if you see something that you loved in this kit, you can go over to her shop, use code Angie15, and get yourself some of the extras. And like I said, for the extra deluxe kit, she definitely has a lot of different extras, pet tape, washi tape, etc., whatever she decides to put in it for extras. And she does do the extras of all those too. So you can also use my code Angie15 for 15% off those also. And if this looks like something that you want to subscribe to, she has 4 different kit sizes. And although my code doesn't work, you will not be disappointed. It is definitely worth the money. So I hope you guys check out the Rosy Life Planner shop. And if you do some shopping, use Angie15. And look forward to watching me set up my planner for August with all this gorgeousness. All right, planner babes. Love you bunches. Thanks for your love and support. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.